about junk food.
Junk food?
Yes, junk food. And I have an idea for you.
What idea?
Let's surprise our kids on this Children's Day.
Surprise? What surprise?
Yes, let's make our children aware about healthy food and junk food.
Healthy food and junk food?
Yes, Motu. If you want to maintain your health, feel good and have energy, you have to eat healthy food. Junk food is unhealthy, that is high in calories, fats and sugar.
Okay, I got it, Badlu.
Hooray! So Motu, let us take a pledge and promise that we will ensure healthy eating habits. Yay!
Hooray, I will eat healthy. I will eat healthy.
Yippee! Hello, my dear friend Motu.
Hi, Badlu.
How are you, Motu? Why are you so sad?
My stomach is paining. I'm not feeling good.
What happened, Motu?
Nothing much. Just tell me, Badlu, how you keep yourself so fit and fine, my dear?
It's very simple. Eat healthy for a healthy heart.
I'm so confused. Could you share your secret with me, my dear friend Badlu?
Yes, of course. Listen, green is my favorite color, even on my plate.
Green color? What green color?
I always get up early in the morning, then have my healthy vegetable juice and some fruits, nuts and berries. Then in the afternoon, I eat my complete meal.
Complete meal? What do you mean by complete meal? You mean yummy pizza, burger, french fries and cookies, no?
No, my dear friend, I'm talking about complete meal on my plate. I am always having chapati, rice, dal, salad, yogurt. It contains all the nutrients, proteins, vitamins and fibers.
Yes, you're right, Badlu. We must have a balanced diet. If you want to enjoy a healthy life, you should eat a balanced diet.
Look, Motu, if you eat too much junk food, you can't even walk or run. Junk food makes you fat and unhealthy. And you know, unhealthy food stops our brain growth.
What? Brain growth? From today, I will start eating healthy food. Thank you, my dear Badlu. I will say clear no to the junk food. I will not eat junk food.
Hooray! Hooray! From today, we will think green, go green, and eat green. We will grow smart, eat smart, and be smart.
Eat healthy. We will eat healthy. Thank you.
I love you, my dear friend. I love you. Yippee!
Yay!
Good morning, everyone. Today, we would like to tell you something about touch. Touch means a friendly and pleasant way of treating people. But touch sometimes also gets feared and makes you uncomfortable. So today, we are going to showcase a wonderful puppet show on good touch and bad touch.
Come on, Riya. Get up. It's Sunday. No, Mama. I want to sleep more. We are going to visit a garden. Garden? Hooray! Let's get ready.
Wow, garden! I love to go to the garden.
Riya, Sam, are you ready? Yes, Mama. Let's go. It's time.
I am very happy today. Yeah, we will eat ice cream also.
Okay.
Can I help you, my little girl?
Yes, sure. Please help me out with swing. No, no, Mama, 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 Mama. What happened, my little girl? Oh, Mama, that uncle tries to touch me. I don't like it. It makes me feel sad and uncomfortable, Mama. I think it's a bad touch. Listen, my little girl, relax. Now I will tell you 3 rules when someone touches you and you are uncomfortable. Which 3 rules, Mama? Rule number 1, no. Rule number 2, go. And rule number 3, tell. No, say no like you mean it. Go away to some safe place. Tell a trusted adult, or you must inform it to your parents.
Hey Ria, come on.
No, it's a bad touch. No, my dear, it's not a bad touch. It's a good touch, like giving high five to your friend, hug from your family members, when your teacher pats your back as an appreciation. These are all good touch. Yes, Mama. Now I got it. I am the boss of my body. Come on, Sam. Let's play.
Hooray!
Yippee! Priya, Sam, it's time to go. Okay. It's time to say goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye, our little children. We hope you had lots of fun, lots of fun, lots of fun. We hope you had lots of fun watching our puppet show, watching our puppet show.
I hope, my dear friends, you understood today's show. Our body belongs to us. We can refuse anybody for touching us if we feel unsafe. If someone touches our chest,